What are you doing? You want to start?
What?
What's your name, man?
Ofra.
Alpha, where you from?
Israel.
Israel, Shalom, Shalom.
Shalom, shalom. What is your name?
Pele, mo, mi, amelek.
mo.
כאן,
אלה חמודים כאלה.
עכשיו היה אחד שבכלל לא...
What do you know to say in Hebrew?
A lot of people this work with here. About
Say something in Hebrew. What did you learn to say in Hebrew?
What you want me to call?
What?
You say a word in Hebrew.
What you know?
שלום.
Shalom.
שלום.
Shalom.
סבבה.
Sababa. What do you mean, Sababa?
סבבה is very good.
Really good. Oh, Sababa.
Really good. Life is good.
Baktana, no? Baktana.
Oh, you know. What else?
בקטנה.
Baktana.
Mayan.
Ela Mayan.
Badi katan.
Bagdi katan.
Ela Mayan.
Ela Mayan.
Badi katan.
Bagdi katan.
Shalom lom.
שלום לו.
לחץ לו על כפתור, מתחלשים.
הם מתוכנתים אלה.
מתוכנתים שירויים.
ก็ไปบ้านถวาย
โอ้โหอะไรวะเป็นโรคอะไรวะเนี่ย